Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have a Wren bird lock. Never heard of one before, but it's got registered trademark on there. So this was sent to me by John at Apache Lock Sport, who did tell me it needs a bit of toughening up. So let's see if we can get into it and see if he's right. So I have to be careful picking this because there is a clip missing off the back. So 1, 2's binding, and we've got a little bit of a full set. 3, 4, 5, we've got a nice click, very slight movement. 1, 2. Well, looks like it definitely could do with some toughening up, but let's get this out of the way, bring the pinning tray and see what it has got inside, see what we can actually do with it. Get that round to there. So, like I say, no clip on the back. So let's why is that? Oh, it's just very stiff to get out. Right, we need to turn that fractionally. We're getting caught up on the back here. It's stiff. Right, let's give this a go. Why is that not coming out? There we go, got it. So we have a selection of pins there. Looks like we've got some counter milling, quite reasonable bitting, but as you can see there's 3 of those. Don't even need picking. So there's 1 is standard, 2 is standard, 3 standard, 4 obviously didn't need picking, 5, so that looks like an ASA pin, but with that being so short it didn't come into play. So tweezers, there's the tweezers. So 1 is standard, 2 is an ASA pin, 3 is a standard, 4 was an ASA pin, and so is 5. Right, we've got a mixture of springs. So that one was what was obviously, that must have been out of 4, because that's what was catching up, which is why we couldn't get that. So nothing has been done to that. And we've got that sort of bit of milling on the top, but that's about it. but the top has been flattened off slightly as well. So let's give you a look. Will it focus? Come on. There we go. So yeah, definitely needs a bit of toughening up. Sorry about that. Phone going off, should have turned it off. So I think, yes, this can do with some toughening up. And then I think it might be going back to John for him to try once it is toughened up. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.